Random render is a feature that lets you randomize which images are rendered. When the percentage is set below 100%, only a random subset of the total combinations will be exported. Let's set this up quickly. Activate Combine Objects, Combine Lights, and Combine Worlds. The total number of images to export is 18. Adjust the Random Render slider, the number of images updates based on the selected percentage. Now, 10 images will be exported out of 18. Start the render. The render proceeds with a randomized selection of combinations. Check the exported images. Let's try a different setup. This time, Combine Object and Combine Materials are enabled. Adjust the slider. 5 images will be exported out of 15. Start the render. The images have been successfully exported. That's it for the random render feature. Thanks for watching.